Namaskar. Currently, a list of good foods called by dry fruits is available in sale in the market. All these foods are used as a source of strength and nutrition for the body. They mainly include almonds, cashews, raisins, walnuts, etc. And there is no doubt that these foods are good, so they are sold. And these are fruits, but they are dried, which means good fruits dried, so they are called dry fruits. And this wording is definitely good. This dry fruit is called suka meva in Marathi or sukha meva in Hindi. In Ayurveda, there are dried foods and they are medicinal or medicated. Because of that, I want to call them medicinal dry fruit in Ayurveda. They may not be strong, but they are completely healthy for the body. They have the ability to create health. And so, what are some of the dry fruits in Ayurveda and how can we use them? We are discussing this in small amount. These dry fruits with medicinal properties described in Ayurveda are also familiar to us. Triphala, which means three fruits, can fit into this definition. They are dry fruits that are beneficial for health. There is hardly a person in India who does not know Triphala powder. The three fruits that are present in this Triphala powder includes Hirda, Amla and Beheda. These three fruits are dried, but they have importance in very great. It has been used many times in Ayurveda, and although these fruits are used separately, the combination of these three has acquired a special importance. This is the specialty of Ayurveda, and therefore many times when these three are used together, they are used with the word Triphala instead of Amla, Hirda and Beheda. This is its importance, which is expressed in this. The use of the Triphala powder, which is known to everyone, if it is consumed with warm water, it cleanses the bowels, and therefore to cleanse the bowel, Triphala powder is used with hot water, or almost everyone knows that the Triphala powder is often used in other medicines that cleanse the bowels, and it is true. Triphala powder is a very important tool for health. This Triphala powder is safe and it does not cause any kind of adverse effect. It is easy for everyone to use this Triphala powder. It is a fact that many people also use it. According to the Ayurveda, Triphala is described as a rasayan. In the definition of Ayurveda, the meaning of word rasayan is something that makes all the elements in the body more useful and good. Therefore, there is a need to look at this Triphala from a different perspective. In one of the books of Ayurveda, there is a mention that a person who consumes Triphala powder for 12 years will get a good lifespan of the next 12 years. This is how its greatness is described. This means that it can be consumed forever without kind of problem. This is one of its most important qualities, and if we use it, we will get many things as rasayan, and it can also use for things that are necessary for the body. Triphala powder is of astringent taste. If you brush your teeth with it, you can experience that. Then the gums become sticky, and after washing your mouth, a kind of good taste is created in the mouth and you get the pleasure of having a clean mouth. Therefore, it is easy to use Triphala powder for brushing your teeth and it is also good. If Triphala powder is taken regularly with honey and ghee at bedtime, eye disorders are reduced and it is better used as a preventive measure to prevent eye disorders. This has been proven by the experience of many. In the case of herbal powders, Ayurveda has said that if this powder is left for more than 6 months, it becomes lightly ineffective. This means that the active power in it is found to be decreased after a period of 6 months. Therefore, if you want to get its good properties and its power, do not rely on the powders available in the market as much as possible. You can prepare this powder at home. For that, bring good hirda, amla and beheda from the market. The seeds of the hirda and beheda should be crushed in a mortar and pestle and removed. Make a powder of each separately, filter it. After that, mix all 3 powders in good properties. After that, use it. And if you do it twice a year, it can help you and your entire family stay healthy forever. Triphala can be used only for constipation, allergies, eyes, teeth, but it can also reduce many of your problems. Ayurveda has used Triphala powder in many medicinal preparation in large quantity. Then if this Triphala powder is to be used in such a large quantity, it is certain that it is used everywhere in many ways. Therefore, using it will never be wasted and more benefits will be definitely be obtained from it. Among them, hirda and amla are described as the best rasayan. Triphala powder has not only these uses but many more uses. The word rasayan expresses them all. Triphala powder is used for liver diseases, hair disorders, disorders of the 3 doshas, prameha, etc. There is a lot to say about Triphala powder because Ayurveda has used it in large quantities and it has created a separate place for these 3 fruits as a Triphala. Everything comes down to this and so its use is beneficial and harmless to everyone from young children to the elderly. So if we use homemade Triphala powder and use it twice a year, then we will have good quality Triphala powder in our house regularly. It will be useful for the whole family. This short video we express our desire to create curiosity about it and a desire to use it, and we stop here. Thank you very much.